Tired of your crypto portfolio's wild ride? Let's rein it in. Today, we're diving into how to find a copy trader on Bybit that aligns with your risk tolerance. First, head over to Bybit and hover over derivatives. At the top of the screen, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on copy trading. This will take you to Bybit's copy trading platform. Here, you'll see a list of available traders now. Let's analyze their performance. Don't just jump in. Look at total ROI, which is the total return on investment of the copy trader. This is a good indicator of overall profitability, but consider the time frame. A high ROI over a short period might be riskier than a moderate ROI over a longer period. Next, check the win rate. This shows the percentage of winning trades. A higher win rate suggests consistency. But remember, even the best traders have losing trades. Pay close attention to the risk level indicator. This is crucial. Choose a risk level you are comfortable with. Low risk generally means smaller profits but also smaller losses, while high risk offers the potential for larger gains, but also substantial losses. Finally, look at the Copiers section. A large number of copiers suggests popularity, but also means the trader's strategy is more exposed. Consider traders with a good balance of copiers and total managed funds. Once you've found a trader that fits your criteria, click copy and adjust your copy trading parameters to align with your financial goals. Now you're ready to take control of your portfolio. Remember to always do your own research before investing.